What's the meaning of Antarctica? Antarctica. 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 Antarctica.
Antarctica is a continent located at the southernmost point on Earth. It is the fifth largest continent and has no permanent human residence. The name Antarctica is derived from the Greek word Antarktikos, which means opposite to the Arctic. It is the coldest and driest continent on Earth, with an average temperature of -49 degrees Celsius and receives less than 5 centimeters of precipitation annually. The continent is covered by ice sheets that contain around 90% of the world's fresh water and is also home to unique wildlife such as penguins, whales, seals, and birds.